Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we're reviewing how to factorize quadratics. So let's take a look. The first one's fairly simple because it has a GCF, so you should always look for a GCF. GCF is 5. And then you look at the quadratic inside the brackets, and this factorizes simply to x plus 5, x minus 4, because negative 4 times 5 is negative 20 basically. That type is easy, but when you have a number in front of x squared that you can't factorize out, it's a little bit more complicated, and one way to do it is to multiply 6 times negative 25 is negative 150, and this number is a 5, so we put the 5 there. We need to look for two numbers that multiply to give you a negative 150, add to give you 5. Those two numbers are 15 and negative 10. That means we can split the middle term, the 5x, into 15x and negative 10x. And then here we have 3x times 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5 here. So we factor the GCF from the first two terms, we get that, and factor the GCF from the second two terms, we get this. Then we factor out the 2x plus 5 from both these terms, and we get 2x plus 5 times 3x minus 5. Next one. Same procedure, but there's two variables, so you're going to have like a variable on the second term as well. Okay, so yeah, let's do that. Let's do the same thing. We need two numbers that multiply, give you 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, add to give you negative 1. So those two numbers are negative 2 and 1. Multiply to give you negative 2 and add to give you negative 1, yes. So we split the middle term into negative 2pq and positive 1pq. And do the same as before. We factor by grouping. We factor out 2p. And we factor out q. And that's 2p plus q, p minus q.